Miss Heidi here, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you a recipe for limber de coco, which is a popular dessert recipe in Puerto Rico. So to make this recipe, you'll need one 14-ounce can or 13.5-ounce can of coconut milk, one 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, half a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You'll also need bowls, spoons, and plastic cups like these. So let's get started. So first I have my globe here to show you where Puerto Rico is located. So we have the continent of North America here. And if we get a little bit closer, we can see this is Puerto Rico. Next to the Dominican Republic, Haiti, Cuba, and Jamaica, in between the Caribbean Sea and the North Atlantic Ocean. So let's get started on our recipe. So first we're going to start with our large bowl, and we're going to add all our ingredients into our bowl. So first we're going to start with our can of 14-ounce or 13.5-ounce can of coconut milk. And next we're going to add in our 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. And next we're going to add in our half a cup of sugar. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And now we're going to mix this all together and get rid of all of the clumps. And after a few minutes of mixing, it should be pretty well mixed. So next we're going to take our plastic cups and we're going to scoop in our mixture. And I like to fill my cup about halfway. Like that. And go ahead and fill the rest of your cups. And once you have all of your cups filled, mine are filled halfway, you can pop these into the freezer for at least 8 hours or overnight. So here are some that I made and froze. And typically, in order to eat these, you would squeeze around the edges of your cup and loosen it up. And then pop it out and flip it over like this. And then you would enjoy it almost like a popsicle. So I hope you try out this recipe and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!